Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to check the amps on a pump safely. I may have shown you in some previous videos. In this video, I want to show you basically safe isolation, turn off. Then you want to also test that there's no power going to the unit. Test your testing equipment so you can pull it into, for instance, here in this test setting, and then you can just test to see if you're getting a bleep. That isn't the most accurate test in the world, but at least you can have some indication that your testers are working. So doing the amp reading here, I don't know if you've ever used InRush. You can use InRush on here, and then we can see what happens on the pump when it comes on initially, how much power it's using to start up. So we've got 6 amps initially in starting up. Okay, that what you can hear behind me is the pressurization unit. Okay, so we're going to get InRush off. So we know when it starts up, that's how much it's pulling. Okay, we've got 5.9 amps. We can compare it to our readings up here, to our data eyes up here. You can see that it is pulling more amps than necessary. Yeah, so this pump is working hard. That's on one phase. And we turn off. See if I can do this with one hand. Quite difficult with one hand. It's difficult with 2 hands, let alone one. Okay, there we go. Get InRush off. Oops, apologies. So it looks like before I was testing it in InRush, so I do apologise. It wasn't pulling as many amps as I initially thought. It looks like it's 1.7, which is in accordance with what the manufacturer says. Can you see? Yeah, so 1.7 on one phase. We can check on another phase. Check the same phase again. Well, the first phase. .78, so that's good. Power off. And then now let's check on the final phase. Okay. 1.5, that phase looks a little bit different from the rest. Okay, so a little bit of an imbalance there. Okay, so I hope that's helped you understand a bit about testing these pumps. You know, you have your bleed point here. Make sure this is on when you open that up, and have a pump down here as well. So yeah, I hope that's helped you. Be safe. Try and wear some gloves. These gloves aren't the best gloves in the world, but it's nice to have something that will give you some form of protection if there's an accident. Yep. Okay, and also make sure you've got decent boots on. Yeah. Ideally, you want to have some form of rubber mat on the floor protecting you as well from a gap between you and the ground. All right, until next time. Bye, bye, bye.